Hello everyone, welcome to Suprema Technical Training of Suprema Connect 2022. This is Kate, in charge of technical services and consulting. Today, I'm here to introduce Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center. In this session, I will explain the key feature of Suprema integration and its integration ways. This session will take about 20 minutes. I'm going to focus on the concept of Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center. First, we will briefly see meaning of Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center. Second, we will see the key features of it. Third, we will see how it works. And then lastly, we will see frequently asked questions. Let's find out what Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center is. Do you know the three main elements of access control system? Yes, that's right. That is who, where, when. These elements are available in one single access control system. However, in some cases, it is difficult to propose a single access control system in order to meet all the project specifications and requirements required by the customer. Also, when there is an already established system, there is a requirement for an easy way to interoperate. Suprema is integrating with security system partners to be able to offer our products and solutions to a wider group of customers. Integration lets customers add Suprema products to their infrastructure in a streamlined and efficient way. Among the specialized access control system companies in various fields, Genetec is a global provider of IP, video surveillance, access control, and license plate recognition solutions unified in a single platform called Security Center. Suprema is also a leading global provider of access control, time and attendance, and biometric solutions. Today's main topic, Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center, is a middleware that allows the Genetec Security Center system to communicate with the Suprema biometric devices. By using Suprema integration, you can configure who, where, when, three elements of access control. First, the Suprema device needs to be added in Suprema integration. The user of cardholder management is created in Genetec Security Center, and the biometric information is registered. In addition, by configuring the relay of the Suprema device at Genetec Security Center config tool, creating an access group, access schedule, and access rule, and assigning the corresponding user information, complete access control can be established. The authentication success log records generated by the device can be viewed in real time in Genetec Security Center security desk. So, how can this Suprema integration middleware solution be used in the physical security industry? Let's check the main features. I can say this is the first key features. That's the various user credentials. Depending on the Suprema device type, users can selectively use card, fingerprint, face, and password. Supported card types include EM, HI Prox, I-Class series, MyFair, and MyFair Desfire supported by Suprema devices. The recently added function Access on Card, which saves user information to the card, is available using MyFair, Desfire, and I-Class. Access on Card can optionally store fingerprints or face depending on the device type. The second key feature is that user enrollment and synchronization are easy. When a user is created and registered in credential management in the configure tool of Genetec Security Center, the information is automatically synchronized to the Suprema device connected through the Suprema integration server. You can use Suprema integration to enter a door in two ways. The first way is using RIO protocol with Cloud Link through TCP. Another way is using the connected access control panel in Genetec Security Center via Wiegand output of Suprema device. Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center is available to use without the cost of the license. Once you install Suprema Integration software and run the Suprema Integration client, you can find the period at the bottom of the UI. The first 30 days can be used without license activation. After 30 days, you need to activate the online or offline license. Please contact Suprema sales team or local distributor to activate the license. The license is free of charge. In addition, you can add up to 1,000 Suprema devices into Suprema integration software. Okay, let's see the picture table. Let me recap what I have explained so far. License is 1 month free. You can purchase an online license or offline license additionally. The database is SQLite as default, and it also supports MS SQL. The available integration options are for using Cloud Link with Leo protocol or using the access control panel like Mercury panel with Wiegand output of Suprema device. For now, available Cloud Link is 1, but we will add multi-cloud link in 2022 Q4. Suprema Intent Solution provides the auto user synchronization from Genetec Security Center. We have specific features for facing F2. You can have user photo enrollment for visual face credentials, and work face enrollment is also available with importing CSV file. Of course, user can scan the face at the front of the device to enroll user information also. For better security, users can have the access on card to store the user biometric information on the card rather than device. iClass, MyFair, and MyFair file are available to use. Configurable Wiegand format is also available to use in Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center. Okay, let's find out how it works. Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center is available in one of two configurations. One is to use it directly connected to the Cloud Link, and the other is use the Wiegand by physically connecting to the access control panel connected to the Genetec Security Center. First, I will explain Cloud Link with Leo protocol. Cloud Link Leo protocol through TCP. What does it mean? The access validation information is checked in the Cloud Link based on the Leo protocol. In the flow, the door setting for the relay of the Suprema device is initially set up in the Genetec Security Center, and the credential holder and credential information are updated. Of course, the access scheduler and group must also be defined at this time. This information is automatically synchronized to the device via Suprema Integration Server. When authentication is successful in the Suprema device, after checking the related user information, authentication results in Cloud Link through Leo protocol, door is opened. Shall we look at the bigger picture? Unlike when the linear Mercury panel and Wiegand are connected, the Suprema relay is connected to the door lock and access is permitted through the linked Cloud Link Leo protocol. Enrollment helper is a UI that receives biometric information in Genetec Security Center config tool. By using this menu, you can register user information from Genetec Security Center config tool to biometric at once. For facing F2 device, Suprema integration with Genetec Security Client supports bulk face enrollment with importing CSV, and it also supports user portal enrollment using mobile. In addition, SecureIO2 can be connected indoors as a door configuration to improve access secure. Using the intelligent controller Suprema Core Station, it is possible to control the door using OSDP in a centralized way, even for biometric authentication and card authentication. In other words, Genetec Security Center supports user enrollment, door configuration, access schedule, and access control management based on the authentication logs from Suprema device. Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center can the user information from Genetec Security Center server and then synchronize the user information to the connected Suprema device. The user information can be updated with the biometric information into the embedded enrollment helper into the Genetec Security Center config tool, or you can use Suprema integration client for biometric enrollment once the generated user in Genetec Security Center is updated the cardholder to Suprema integration server. Shall we look into how to install Suprema Genetec Security Center? First of all, check the license policy and then install Genetec Security Center properly. After setting up with Synergis Leo, then you can start installing Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center. During this step, the Genetec Security Center SDK v5.10 and the enrollment helper will be installed. For more detailed steps we described into the below article, please check out when you install Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center. Before moving on to getting started, I want to show you the license policy and system requirement. There are two steps. Step 1 is checking the Genetec Security Center license with Genetec team. Once you confirm everything of the license of Genetec Security Center to use Suprema integration with integration system, then you can move to Suprema integration installation. Since Suprema integration software supports 1 month free license, you can contact Suprema team within 30 days to extend the license information. Please take a look into the comparable systems and device. Suprema integration software is compatible with Genetec Security Center 5.10.0.0. The comparable Synergis Server Cloud Link is v11.2.0. With the following procedure, you can quickly start Suprema integration Genetec Security Center. First, add the Suprema devices to Suprema integration client. TCP searching and UDP searching are available to use. Also, you can add the security to your RS-485 slave device under the device list. Second, once you update the device list, you need to go to Genetec Security config tool to create the door, schedule, and access rule. Genetec Security Center will update the device information in Suprema integration software to Genetec Security config tool for the door configuration. Then create the card holder in the config tool. You must create the credential with a manual card number input or the actual card number. I simply recorded the door settings screen for Suprema device and the process of creating a card holder in Genetec Security Center config tool. Shall we check it out together? And then you can confirm if the user data is synchronized to Suprema integration solution. Is there another feature on Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center? Instead of using the Cloud Link and Rio protocol mentioned in the previous page, Wiegand interface supports are recently released. The installation method, function usage, and cardholder creation process are the same as described on the previous page. The big difference is that door-related setting and access group information are operated by credential information of access control. In addition, Suprema device transmits only the credential number to the access control unit, such as the Mercury panel, through Wiegand output data when authentication success occurs in the device. In other words, if the credential holder is a valid user when authenticating to the reader device, the access control panel receives this information by transmitting the RF card number or credential number of the credential holder through Wiegand. This is to decide whether to open or close the door. The user ID system used in Genetec Security Center or the user ID system used in integration software are different, so the RF card number is transmitted, and then the door will be opened. The overall operation configuration is as follows. Except for Suprema Core Station, other Suprema biometric devices and Suprema card devices can be linked through Wiegand port. Let's take a look at some of the frequently asked questions since we released. A customer was looking to add a Wiegand reader to Suprema Core Station. This customer wanted to use Cloud Link with Suprema device directly. Question: this will be available? Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center is for integrating of biometric devices. You cannot add it under device list as an extended Wiegand reader. This is not supported for now, but we are adding this requirement to our to-do list. As an alternative way, instead of using Wiegand reader, you can use Core Station with XPath D2 model through RS-485. Next, FSF F2 support TCM10 to check the high temperature. Can FSF to TCM10 work with Suprema Genetec Security Center? What do you think? Would Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center support FSF to TCM10? Answer is yes. FSF to TCM10 is supported by Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center v1.02. Can Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center leave the held opened alarm and the forced door opened alarm? Suprema devices configured with Cloud Link with Rio protocol in Genetec Security Center do not support door-related forced and held door open alarms. For places that require first door opening alarm or held door opening alarm, configure the Wiegand interface to connect the Suprema device and configure the door setting with an access control unit such as Mercury panel in the configure tool of Genetec Security Center to use it. This question was asked the most. Does Suprema have the plan to support the multi-cloud links? Yes. Multi-cloud links will be added in 2022 Q4. Can you configure anti-passback zone with Suprema device in Genetec Security Center? To configure anti-passback zone in Genetec Security Center, you can use access control panel with Wiegand connection of Suprema. Anti-passback operation is possible by configuring as follows. Placing devices in front and behind the door and connecting Wiegand cable to the control panel. This is the last page. Is access on card of Suprema reader available for both Rio protocol and Wiegand interface in Genetec Security Center? In either case, you can use the access on card. You should enable the option use the card credentials ID as smart card ID for Rio protocol usage. Please configure the option in Suprema integration client. Alright, this is the end of the technical training. I hope that this is helpful to understand Suprema integration with Genetec Security Center. Thank you so much.